Actors Sidharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani are currently busy promoting their upcoming film Shershaah. The duo were snapped at the Mumbai airport on Tuesday. Sidharth looked uber cool in blue and white outfit while Kiara was seen flaunting top, which had Shershaah movie tagline "Ye Dil Mange More" written on it. Kiara teamed up her top with military green color pants.
एक मैडम का बर्थडे लाया, उसके लिए रिलेटेड आपके लिए केक लाए। यस
इनका बर्थडे था।
हाँ, तो जब तक मिले नहीं ना मैडम। अरे बहुत फेवरेट है ना आप मैम आप मेरी।
अच्छा तुम मेरे को बर्थडे का डेट बताओ।
31 जुलाई 31 जुलाई मैंने लाया सर, मैंने लाया। अरे मैंने एक मिनट मैम, एक मिनट केक
केक खाने वाले ना, इसके बाद कर रहे हैं, केक खाएंगे, फिर 12 तारीख को शेरशाह देखेंगे।
Rumors are rife that Sidharth and Kiara are dating each other and they are in a serious relationship. Check out the video where they are looking super adorable together. Shershaah chronicles the story of Kargil war hero Paramveer Chakra Captain Vikram Batra, who sacrificed his life for the nation in 1999. In the movie, Kiara played the role of Captain Vikram Batra's fiancée Dimple Cheema. Shershaah is slated to release on August 12 on Amazon Prime Video. Ines report.